Viewers, you're welcome back. I know you must have heard about the job platform of the government of Canada itself, which is Job Bank. But a lot of people do not know how to harness the great potential of this job portal, using it to get a job in Canada from wherever you are. This job platform is highly advantageous. The benefit is massive. But if you don't know how to harness it, it will just be useless for you. A lot of people are using this same job platform to get jobs in Canada from their home countries. If you don't know how to use it, you might not be able to get what you really want. It is a very wide job platform and it is very authentic because most of the jobs posted on this website are validated jobs by the government of Canada. So you can be rest assured that whatever job you get from here is highly authentic. Another advantage of this platform is that all employers in Canada post their jobs on this platform. In my own opinion, I can say Job Bank has the greater number of job openings in Canada, and that's why I'm taking my time to take you through this journey so that you can know how to take advantage of this great platform. The Job Bank have different use to different people. This is the Job Bank. It's saying resources tailored to your needs. So if you are a young Canadian, you have a different segment on this platform. If you are an indigenous people, newcomers to Canada, that's if you're already in Canada, you have your own platform still on this Job Bank. Then if you're a foreign candidate from outside Canada, you have a different module on this platform. For a temporary foreign worker, you have another segment. Persons with disability, you have another segment. So the Job Bank has segmented different categories of people. So if you are just accessing the broad Job Bank and you are looking for a job, you are wasting your time. You have categorized people into different groups, and you would be doing yourself a huge favor if you access the Job Bank based on your own need and you are able to access your own platform that is designed for your own specific need. So, and that's why I'm bringing my people this video, so that I will teach you how to search for jobs based on your own peculiarity. So for today, I will be focusing on people that are trying to get a job from outside Canada. If you are in your home country and you're trying to get a job, this video is for you today. We will be using this link. I'm going to drop this link in the description of this video. So this is the link we are applying with. If you apply with the link of people that are already in Canada, like newcomers to Canada and all of this, you will not get the right job. Those employers will not bring you to Canada. But we are using this link, that is foreign candidates from outside Canada. This has been specified for people that are applying to employers in Canada from their home country. So we are only going to be assessing employers that are willing to sponsor you, to bring you to Canada. Please give me a like. Please try to encourage me so I can bring you more content. If you are yet to join the family, please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss out on amazing videos that I share on this channel. Now click on the link and go to look for those jobs that are specifically dedicated to people that are applying from outside Canada. So you can see foreign candidates from outside Canada. And another thing is that we are going to narrow our search. We are going to be more specific. This is how it looks like. Looking for work in Canada, search jobs for employers who are recruiting foreign candidates from outside Canada. So we are going to be using the advanced search button. You can see advanced search at this left corner. Advanced search. You are going to click on it. You can see that despite the fact that we have narrowed our search to employers that are willing to hire from outside Canada, we still have over 41,000 jobs opportunities available. And in my opinion, it is too much. We still have to narrow it down to our own specific needs so that we will not be confused. We're going to use a cleaner as an example now. Let's assume you are looking for a cleaner job. You see that it has reduced it to from 4,000 plus to 1,005. We are still going to narrow it down until we get to our own specific needs. So we have over 1,500 cleaner job for foreigners, for foreign candidates outside Canada. So don't tell me after this tutorial, don't tell me I'm unable to find job in Canada. I've been applying. You could have been doing it the wrong way, and this is the right way to apply for jobs in Canada and to get the results you truly need. Related job titles. So you don't want to limit your search. Light duty, and if you have a specific cleaner job that you need, these are all the types of cleaning job. Light duty cleaners, it has the highest number of opportunities. So I want you to leave all this opened. These are the different categories of cleaning job. So you want to leave it like this. Everything has been marked for you. So the employer name, we are not specific about employer name. We are open to any employer in Canada. But if you have specific employer you want to work with, fine. But I would not advise you to do that, because that would be, except you are sure they will hire you. I will be taking you through the specific categories I want you to tick that will lead you to employers that are having LMIA approval. Now listen to me. Despite the fact that these jobs are meant for foreign candidates outside Canada, there are still some employers that might not be able to bring you in because they do not have LMIA approval. Some are still, they have applied for LMIA approval and it is still pending. The government of Canada has not approved it. So those people can still employ you because you are sure that they already have their file being processed. And by the time they are done with their processing, they will be able to bring you in. And we have some of these employers that they already have approved LMIA. What does it mean? LMIA means Labor Market Impact Assessment. That means the government of Canada has validated that these employers can bring any foreigner into Canada to work for them, because it has been proven that no one in Canada is ready to take up these jobs, and so the government has given them an opened approval to bring in candidates from any country of their choice to work for them. So that is the easiest way to move to get a sponsorship job in Canada that will definitely transit into you becoming a permanent resident. It is one of the easiest way to move to Canada without breaking the bank. They will do basically almost everything for you. So once you are able to get a job, especially with those that have gotten LMIA approval, in fact you are already on your way to Canada and you can move with your family. Employment condition, leave it, don't tick anything here. Language, English, just tick English. So we are looking for just English jobs that require English language. Then you want to take full-time job, because if you are employed as a part-time employee, you might not be able to get your work permit. Then period of employment, we are looking for a permanent employer, somebody that is willing to employ us permanently. Then the annual salary, just leave it. Then workplace information, leave that. Indeed, there's something we are looking for. Yes, when you come to this place, employment group, you want to tick. We have indigenous people, person and disability, newcomer, mature worker, veterinary youth. So we want to look for temporary foreign workers. You see that we had 1,005 plus. Now we have 161. That means these are the employers that have their LMIA approved and they are ready to bring you. So, or those that are still having pending approval, but it is sure that they are already in the process. And that's why it has cut, you can say that it has cut our search from 4,000 that we began with to 161. That's why I said, if you have been applying for jobs on Job Bank, prior seeing this video, I've been applying to the wrong employers, people that do not have, it's not as if they don't want to bring you, but they don't have the capacity. They are not approved by the government to bring you in. So even if you are the best candidate for them, there is nothing they can do to help you. So you see that we've narrowed it down. We now have 161 jobs. Let's still go ahead. We are still getting somewhere. Types of job, we are leaving this. Provinces and territory, I don't want you to limit yourself, so let's leave it. Any province that is willing to bring us in, we are ready for you. So you don't want to leave that. Job source, leave that. Education or training, leave that. But you can also narrow it down. If you don't have any qualification, you can pick no education required. That is jobs that do not require education. If it is college degree, you can pick it as much as you want. Now, years of experience, you can see that for cleaning job, in fact, we have out of 161, we have 120 employers that do not require you to have any form of education. It's only 41 out of this 161 that are requesting that you have high school diploma. That's your secondary school. So if you don't have, because we are selecting cleaning job, so most of these employers do not require you to have any education. So if you don't have your secondary school certificate, just click on no education required, so that it will filter it, reduce it to just those ones that do not require education. Now, years of experience. So we have 140 employers out of 161 that do not even need you to have any experience. And then lastly, I want you to look at this. Intended applicants, Canadian and authorized workers. These are people in Canada, already in Canada. Those that are authorized to work in Canada. Those that already have work permit. But you want to click Canadian and international candidates. So our search is complete. We have been able to narrow down our search to suit our peculiarity. So like I said, it has reduced from 4,000 plus opportunities to 161. So you want to come up here and you want to click on the result of our search. So you click on view 161 result. You can see search jobs from Canadian employer who want to recruit temporary foreign workers. Now we have employers that are willing and ready to hire foreign workers from outside Canada. So you want to select the date that the job was posted to, like a minimum of 30 days. So jobs that are only posted within 1 month, just within 1 month, so that you will not be looking out for jobs postings that are already expired. So now let's look at this job. I'm going to click this job. When was it posted? This job was posted on the 21st of June. And you're going to be paid 15 Canadian dollar per hour. You're going to work for 30 to 40 hours per week. Permanent, it's a permanent employment. You can see, let's come here. This employer has an approved labor market impact assessment to hire a foreign worker to fill labor or skill shortages on a temporary basis. So we know that these people have been approved by the government of Canada to recruit foreign workers. So these are the kinds of job you will apply to. Let's look at it. Overview. The language is English. Education, you don't need any degree. Experience, you need just 1 to less than 7 months experience. There are some you can search. If you don't have any cleaning experience, you can narrow down your search to no experience. If you're also looking for skilled job like a nurse, like administrative jobs, any kind of job at all, it is still the same process. I'm just using cleaner as an example. Now, if you're applying for a job in Canada, another tip I'm going to give you is that make sure your CV is in Canadian format, because if you're applying without having your CV in a Canadian format, you might not get any positive response. So I've made a video. I'm going to link that video in the description or in the comment section. I've made a video for you how you can build your resume within few steps for free on this same job platform, on Job Bank. A lot of people just use job bank. They don't even know you can build your Canadian format resume for free, and you download it for free, and you can still keep it on this platform. You'll be attached. It will make it easy for you to apply for jobs faster. So you want to check that video and see how you can build your resume on this platform for free, and start applying for this job as fast as you can. So another tip I'll be giving you is that make sure that you tailor your experience to suit these responsibilities they need you to perform, if you have experience in it truly, so that it will be highly competitive. So financial benefit as per collective agreement. So you can see who can apply to this job. The employer accepts application from Canadian citizen and permanent or temporary residents of Canada. One. The other one, other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. So it is clearly stated. As I said, you should narrow this job down to people that can employ you from outside Canada. So how do you apply to this job? You can see it down below. Show how to apply. You can see that this job is still valid. It was posted since June, but you can still apply because the application is still open until 19th of August 2024. So you can apply for this job. Please, if you are finding this helpful, give me a like. Despite my busy schedules, I'm taking out time to do this for you guys. So the only way you can repay me is share, like, subscribe, and give me a massive encouragement. Thank you. How do you apply for this job? What you need to do is just to apply by an email. That is, send your CV to this email address. As simple as that. But I will also encourage you, don't only send CV so that you can be serious. You can look like a serious person. Also send your cover letter. Send your CV and your cover letter to this email address. I don't want this video to be too long. If you have any question or any comment, if you have any question to ask me, or if you're finding it difficult to navigate through, reach out to me on the comment section. I will try as much as possible to answer you. Guys, please jump on this and start sending your applications, and I will also be waiting for your good news. Once you start getting your job offer, don't forget to let me know. I wish you the best of luck in your application. Thank you. Till I see you in my next video.